Ever turn on your furnace at the start of winter and notice a burning dust smell? Don't panic. It's usually normal. During the summer, dust collects on the heat exchanger and burners. When the furnace kicks on, that dust burns off, causing the smell. The odor should disappear after a few hours of operation. If it doesn't, or if the smell is strong and persistent, it could signal an electrical issue or overheating. At Gutierrez Brothers HVAC, we recommend annual furnace maintenance to keep your system safe and running efficiently. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.